The year was 1815, a pivotal moment in the annals of history. The stage was set in the rolling plains of Belgium, as the armies of the European powers converged to face the formidable forces of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon, the great conqueror of Europe, had returned from exile, seeking to reclaim his lost empire. His enemies, united under the Duke of Wellington and the Prince of Blucher, stood resolute in their determination to halt his ambition. The battle began on June 18, a day of sweltering heat and high tension. The Allied forces, outnumbered but not outmatched, prepared for the onslaught. Wellington positioned his troops strategically, ready to withstand the initial assault. Napoleon, confident and decisive, launched his attack. The French cavalry charged, their sabers gleaming in the sun. But the Allied lines held firm, the British infantry standing steadfast against the onslaught. The Battle of Waterloo was a grueling test of endurance. For hours, the two sides clashed, each side inflicting heavy casualties on the other. The French, however, began to falter under the relentless barrage of the British artillery. The turning point came in the afternoon. Wellington launched a counterattack, led by the brash young Earl of Uxbridge. The British troops stormed the French lines, and the tide of the battle turned. Napoleon, realizing the gravity of the situation, rode into the fray, attempting to rally his troops. But it was too late. The Allied forces, emboldened by their success, pressed forward, and the French lines began to collapse. In the end, it was a small success that sealed Napoleon's fate. A cannonball struck the Earl of Uxbridge, severing his leg. As he was carried from the field, Napoleon is said to have remarked, "That was the death of Bonaparte." Napoleon was defeated, his empire crumbling once more. He abdicated and was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena, where he would die 6 years later. The Battle of Waterloo marked the end of an era, a testament to the resilience of those who stood against tyranny. The Battle of Waterloo, a day that would live in infamy, was a poignant reminder of the power of unity and determination. It was a day that marked the end of an empire, but also the beginning of a new era in European history.